In the beginning, God spoke.
He formed the heavens and the earth. Light separated from darkness, life set in order. Humanity was made in His image and walked with Him. But the command was broken, the ground was cursed. Death entered the story, and the way was closed. Violence filled the earth, waters rose. The world was washed clean and a covenant remained. Languages were divided, the earth itself was divided. Humanity scattered, boundaries set by God. One man was called to walk by faith. A promise was given, a covenant sworn, a lineage marked by hope. His descendants were enslaved, but God heard their cry. Plagues fell, the sea opened, a nation was born. The law was spoken in fire, holiness was revealed. Yet hearts wandered in the wilderness until a new generation rose. The land was entered, walls fell, judges rose and fell. A king was demanded, crowns were placed, kingdoms divided. Warnings were ignored, Israel fell, Judah followed. The city burned, the temple fell, exile carried the people away. Yet the word remained, a remnant returned. Stones were set again, the law was read, the wall stood, then silence. Centuries passed, the promise waited. A child was born, God entered flesh. Yeshua walked among us, teaching the kingdom. He healed, He forgave, He revealed the Father. He was rejected, He was crucified. The earth shook, the veil tore, the tomb was sealed. The stone was rolled away, death was defeated. He appeared alive, He ascended. The Spirit was given, the church was born. The message spread, nations were reached, boundaries fell. The end was revealed, justice stood, evil was judged. A new heaven appeared, a new earth followed. God dwelled with humanity. The story began with God, and it ends with God dwelling with His people.